family, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some major Dollar Tree scores, some really good money saving items and some hidden gems to share with you guys. Plus, I'm going to be revealing the gender of my baby in this video. We're going to start off with this Pippa Mint Premium Foam Shoe Cleaner, and this retails for around $25, but I can tell that this brand probably is going out of business or they're discontinuing this item because on their website they don't have a lot of products available. So what this comes with is a cleaning foam cleaning brush, microfiber cloth, and 4 cleaning wipes. I already gave this a go on some of these Reebok shoes that I own. I actually own 2 pairs, a pair that I've owned for 3 years and they're really beat up, and then a pair I've owned for about a year that looks way better. So what you do is you take the brush, you dip it into some water, then you put some of the foam on top of the brush, and then you can start scrubbing your shoes. And I only cleaned any area that I felt comfortable using this brush on. So any area like closer to inside of the shoe that was more fabric-like, I decided not to use this because I didn't want to mess with that. And this did a really good job for the price. So this is the scrubbing after just one scrub and then wiping it down with the microfiber cloth on one of my really beat up shoes. And then I decided to try this on my shoes that are in better condition because I do feel like something like this is going to work better when you're trying to keep up with your sneakers. If they get really beat up like my first pair, it's a little bit hard to reverse the damage you already did to it. So using this kind of often with your sneakers, especially white sneakers, is going to help them looking better longer. So I do think this is well worth $1.25. I was able to find some mostly natural products at Dollar Tree that they actually carry inside of Target. This retails for $4.49 at Target. It is the Amy Naturally Kind Glow and Bright Illuminating Face Mist. And you just spray this over dull and lackluster skin, including sensitive skin, and then it gives you a really nice glow. So I actually put this over my makeup today, and this gives me a really nice glow to my skin versus just that dry, dull skin. Then I gave this cleansing balm a go. It's made for normal and dry skin, and it does leave my skin feeling nice and soft. Now they're mostly natural, so they're not 100% natural. This one is 94% natural, and this one is 97% natural. And it says on the back the reason that it's not completely natural is because they do need some non-natural ingredients for the product stability. This item is an amazing hidden gem that you're gonna find in the baby section of Dollar Tree if you're doing a gender reveal on a budget. It is these confetti tubes. So it's a tissue paper confetti tube. I've used these before, and these aren't the kind that you twist at the bottom. Instead, you have to like flick it and the confetti comes out. You get 2 for $1.25. And with that being said, I'm going to reveal to you guys the gender of my next baby. So Cooper will be a big brother to a baby sister. It's a girl. I knew it because of how different this pregnancy has been and just how much more sick I've been this time around. So I really was expecting the baby to be a baby girl, and I'm just so blessed and I'm so excited, and I'm gonna have both. I'm gonna have a boy and a girl, and I'm so very excited. So you can see right there, you do this, there's still more in there, actually a little bit stuck, but you can just keep doing that and flicking out some confetti. And like I said, it's 2 for $1.25. Along with the gender reveal theme or even a party theme, I do want to highlight the baking section of Dollar Tree. This gets glossed over a lot because, you know, you go to the grocery store lots of times for food items, just because at Dollar Tree, sometimes you don't get the most bang for your buck. However, in the baking section, you can find a lot of really good priced items. So I got some cake mix at Dollar Tree. I bought the pink and blue frosting at Dollar Tree. I got pink and blue sprinkles, and then I got some little favors from the baby section that I could place on top of some cupcakes. And what we did is we made gender reveal cupcakes for my husband's side of the family, and it was just so easy to do and really inexpensive. All of these items actually cost more to get at Walmart, which I feel like Walmart is usually the cheapest after Dollar Tree when it comes to bigger chain stores. And it was a lot of fun. We had Cooper help us. I ended up using some piping tips and icing bag to go ahead and ice the cupcakes just to make them look a little bit fancier. And what we did is we placed a green rocking horse on the blue cupcake, and we knew that that was the cupcake that held the gender. So whoever ended up grabbing that cupcake, we decided to start away from them because we didn't want like somebody just biting it right away and the fun of it ended quickly. So if you're going to do something similar, I recommend just putting something where it will distinguish the cupcake that you're using, so you can start a little bit farther farther from the person who initially got it. I found these cupcake supplies with a theme. They had a mermaid, unicorn, dinosaur, and I decided to make some cupcakes using those so I can show you guys. It really is such a good price that you can find these items in at Dollar Tree. And then they even have cupcake holders, and that's what we used to transfer the cupcakes to the restaurant we went to where we did the gender reveal. Next up, socks at Dollar Tree. Not any socks. Fun, nostalgic type of socks. So these are the type of socks you see inside of like gift boxes at Marshall's during Christmas time, except they cost like $5, $10. These are just $1.25 each, and this actually might be leftover from Christmas and they're trying to get rid of it. So I found, first off, Reptar from the Rugrats. You guys know me, I love nostalgic things, so I ended up getting Reptar. Then we got some Fruit Loops socks. These are actually my favorite. I found these Cup of Noodle ramen socks, and then Swedish Fish and the Kraft mac and cheese. There are other socks to choose from, but these were my favorite ones, and these go high. These aren't like at your ankle. Another hidden gem at Dollar Tree, which was literally hidden when I found it, is this 2-pack of microfiber towel wraps from the brand Hollywood Expression. So I bought 2 of these, one that I was able to test out, and then this one that's gonna go inside of a gift basket. And it works just the way it's supposed to. I have long hair, and my hair was able to wrap in this just fine. It's a little bit thinner, but it gets the job done. My hair is dry, so this is not probably gonna go too well, but what you do is you put this on your head with the button toward the back like this, and then you will twist your hair inside of the towel, but I know it's gonna keep falling out because my hair is dry. And then you will flip this over, and there's a little hook on this part that you can hook it to the button. That's what you do. When it comes to makeup, my favorite things are bronzer, mascara, and fake eyelashes. And usually when I take off my fake eyelashes, I put them back in the container they came from, or I put them in like a little plastic bag. However, at Dollar Tree, I found this eyelash case. There was 2 different ones with mirrors. I was so excited to see this at Dollar Tree. I feel like this is a way better option than sticking it in a plastic bag or the container that it came out of. And this way you can put this inside of your purse. Sometimes my eyelashes will start irritating me when I'm out in public and I have to take them off. And then usually I don't have anything on hand, so I just kind of place them inside of my purse and hope they don't get messed up. This is like way better than doing that. So I was so excited to see this. I got the one that has the little cherries on the front, and I love the way that it looks. It looks really girly, and it also kind of reminds me of the 90s. This is another hidden gem at Dollar Tree, and that's the last time I'm going to use that word for you guys because you guys are probably already annoyed of it, but it's something when you go inside of each Dollar Tree, if it's a new Dollar Tree to you, check out this section. It's the food section of Dollar Tree. Lots of times I've noticed when a Dollar Tree is very close to a grocery store, especially like a mom and pop type of grocery store, they do get Edmonds and Sara Lee Pepperidge Farm items in that are close to expiring. So if you eat them right away, they're good to go, and lots of times you can freeze bread and it can last longer. I found these Edmonds brownies and this Edmonds party cake for $1.25. This one expires in 3 days, and this one I think had 2 days on it. I actually went to the grocery store after this, and I saw that this one retailed for over $7, and then this one was over $5. So to get them for $1.25, it's a great price. And like I said, they have bread, they have bagels, lots of times they have donuts. I tend to get the donuts when they have the donuts in. It's really a great price if you can find it at your local Dollar Tree. Not every single Dollar Tree has this. Next up, we got this Spascriptions lip therapy kit. There's an exfoliating lip scrub and a soothing lip mask. Now, I've actually used this brand before, and it does a great job. I feel like it's very hard to mess up lip scrubs and lip mask just because the ingredients aren't too complicated for it. And right now I have really dry lips. Like I said, dry skin, dry lips. The baby takes everything that I drink right away from me, and so it's important for me to stay hydrated and keep my skin hydrated. I was excited to see this at Dollar Tree. I haven't given this a go yet. It is a shower headband from Dollar Tree, and I would imagine that it's going to work fine because it really is just a headband, but these are nice when you're doing your makeup or skincare routine after and you're trying to get your hair out of your face. So what you'll do is you just place it around your head after you get out of the shower, or even like you can do this obviously when your hair is dry, and just to get it out of your face. You can use a regular headband too if you want to, but if your hair is wet, this is like a little bit more of a towel material, and then you put this around your head and then you do your makeup, and then you feel like a beauty guru because this is what they wear when they're doing their makeup and telling you things, and then they're like doing this with their brush. You're going to do this. These are new to Dollar Tree, these tabletop lights. They are color changing. They're really cool. I will say if you have a young kid like I do, there are button batteries inside of this. So I actually did buy these for Cooper's room, but like with a lot of his lights, I put them on top of things so he can get to them. So it's floating shelves that I have all over his room, and I have things already inside of there that glow. And so this is where these will go. Dollar Tree carries a bunch of phone rings. However, recently they got in these really pretty ones that have this copper color with these hearts that are attached to it. Obviously you can use this on your phone, but what I like to do is I like to place these on top of more like stationary boxes. You can put them on the front of them and really like make them look high end, or you can get ones that are a little bit more like kiddish than this and make them suit like a child's bedroom. There's different ways you can use this. You can find these inside of the kitchen section of Dollar Tree. It is these pot and pan protectors. There are 3 for $1.25, and all 3 come in different sizes. Now if you have pots and pans that tend to scratch easily when they are stacked on top of each other, which we actually do, you can place them between each other to stop them from scratching with each other. So if you have that type of issue, I feel like these are great for the price. Last year Dollar Tree got stainless straws in. This year they have some more ones to choose from. However, these are holographic. They are rainbow straws. They are so nice. It's for $1.25. It comes with the little brush. It says that they are corrosion and oxidation resistant straws, and they are dishwasher safe. So if you like using straws, especially the stainless steel straws, which I do, I feel like your drink comes out more cold. These are a great price. In the electronics section of Dollar Tree, I found this headphone cleaning kit. Now I can tell this is from Target, the Bullseye Playground, because on the back, usually their pricing is red like this with the white number on it. And so this was originally $5. So this comes with 2 anti-static cleansing wipes, 1 cleaning spray bottle, 1 soft brush, 5 cleaning swabs, 2 soft bristle brushes. And these are good if you have especially expensive headphones. So like the AirPods, when they start to get dirty, if you have earwax, sometimes the earwax attaches to your AirPods. And if you think that doesn't happen to you, I would check again, because it happens to me. And so there's little things inside of here you can use to clean your headphones and still keep them nice and working, because you don't want to put like, direct water onto your headphones and it's like, oh, what happened? So there are also these little picks too that are great for getting into every little like nook and cranny of your headphones. If you have children, I really wanted to highlight these items in the Dollar Tree bath section right now. You can find these 3D neon foam puzzle and bath bombs from Crayola. They come with the little foam puzzles that they can play with inside or outside of the bathroom. Cooper wanted me to open this right away. As soon as he saw it, he kept wanting the ball that was in the inside of this. And then it does come with a bath bomb. So after the bath bomb melts, it does turn into like a green color, which is obviously going to happen when there's multiple colors within a bath bomb. But it's just like a fun thing to do with your kids. And then these I actually like a lot, not for the bathtub. It is these bathtub fizzies, and it comes with red, blue, and yellow little fizzes that change the color of the water. However, I like to use these outside of the bath to teach Cooper about mixing colors. I've told you guys this before. Cooper is extremely smart. He knows all of his colors. So right now I'm trying to teach him about mixing colors and what colors they make. So what I do is I just put some water inside of clear cups, and then I give him the tablets, and I'll be like, let's make red. We'll make red, we'll make yellow, and then we'll make blue. Then we mix the other tablets together. I just cut them in half, and then we'll make orange, we'll make green and purple. And it's just a great way for him to learn about mixing colors in a very fun way.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, brown.
Good job, Cooper.
White.
Good job. I've hauled these items before. I have shown them in DIYs. I wanted to share them in this particular video because Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and you can buy these right now to make a really nice piece to give to a loved one. So you're gonna get a candy dish from Dollar Tree, and then one of these like candy scallop bowls, and all you have to do is place one inside of the other and then start putting candy inside of this. Now this is something I saw on Lou Florist TikTok account, and I'll link them down below for you guys. It's a very brilliant idea. It's inexpensive to do, and you can save so much money making this yourself. I had seen something for $20 at Walmart, and the candy was even smaller candies, like a single pack of Pop Rocks. You can make it for so much cheaper. Put a balloon in the middle of it, and there you have a really nice Valentine's Day gift to give to a loved one. And on top of that, you can choose the exact candies they want versus buying something that's more generic. Finally, I wanted to share a home decor piece I found at Dollar Tree right now that is really good for Valentine's Day if you like more neutral decor. It is these hearts. They are like the branches, wicker. I don't know exactly what you call these type of hearts, but they have them in neutral colors. So I got the white and the gray ones. And these you can use for DIYs, or like I said, if you like more neutral decor or something that is simple, you can just put these hearts like that around your normal decor, and that's how you just kind of decorate a little bit for Valentine's Day. So that is it for these Dollar Tree finds. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you were able to find these items at your local Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all the support you guys always throw my way and always making me feel so freaking special. I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.